Hello, we are recording. Now I am playing a solo. I am playing a solo bridges with nobody. Yay! This this is great. This is great. Well, I didn't invite Joshua because I asked him and said he didn't want to record, so I gave him one. Ignacio Po. Peter. 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 We're not friends anymore, Joshua, so let's shut the crap up. I'm laggy and I just can't fuck it. Just fuck it. I'm laggy and I don't know what to do. Hey! Peter! 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 We're not friends anymore, Joshua! You're off my friend list! And you're still a king, but we're not gonna record anymore. A couple of while. Ignacio M. Well, Ignacio playing has been playing quite a while. He was playing, Joshua was, oh sorry guys, but I promise you, oh fuck you. You stole me that iron, fair and square. What the crap is happening? Oh! Oh, nausea. Ignacio Poe. We're not friends, Ignacio. Oh! Do not ever do that again, Ignacio. You do not know how much you're capable of killing. Fucking teammates. Raiders! Well, this is not laggy. This is going fine. Turn. How stupid teammates. Yeah, finally got some light. Those fucking teammates suck! Suck like crap. I don't need them. I don't need them. Who says I need them? Who says I need them? Who says I need them? No one. And guess what? I'm sorry guys again. Oh fuck. He just makes a hole to block my light. Oh. I only got to iron 4. Oh. I saw. I saw. This is me. I'm the man of my word. And I ain't afraid to show you what I am capable of. I know. Well, in this laggy, I suck at mining today. Usually when I play bridges, I usually lose! Oh man. No, no, no. No, 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 no. 5 minutes I lose. I can't restart now. No. Ah! No! No! Stupid, 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 stupid. Well, um, well then, frick. I can't believe I suck. Oh no, 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 no. Ah, ah, ah. Ah! Right! 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 Oh no! Alright, guys. That was it. Please like and subscribe for us. And if you do like it, please like and subscribe us. And sorry, I fell 2 times. I'm sorry. Bye! And goodbye! Goodbye myself for dozens of years.